In this session, we will be using the Arduino Uno. This video is made from an artist perspective, focusing on how Arduino can be used to create interactive art. I will try to explain everything in the simplest way possible. Before we begin the session, let me show you a few of my works created using Arduino and ESP32, so you can understand how these tools can be used creatively. Now let's quickly get familiar with the Arduino Uno pins. The top row contains the digital pins which are used to send signals to connected devices. Some of these pins support PWM, pulse width modulation, which is commonly used for controlling motors, LEDs, and servos and other sensors. Next we have the analog pin, mainly used for reading sensor values. Then there are the power pins. GND stands for ground or negative, while 5V and 3.3V are positive power outputs used to power external devices. This pin is used for data transfer as well as power. This one is only for power, and this reset button resets the Arduino chip. This is the servo motor we will be using, and these are the jumper wires which help connect components to the Arduino. Let's understand the servo wires. Yellow wire is for signal, red wire is VCC, stands for positive. Brown wire is negative, stands for GND. The servo comes with a 3-pin header. I will connect jumper wires using the same colors to keep things easy to understand. Now connect the signal wire to pin 3, the VCC to 5V, and the ground to GND. Download the Arduino IDE software from the official website according to your operating system. After installing, open the IDE software. You should see an interface like this. Go to File, New Sketch to create a new program. Before you start coding, remember one simple rule: capital letters matters in coding, but spaces usually don't. Now let's begin from the very top. First we include the servo library. We write #include, then open caret, and inside them we type servo.h and close caret. This line tells Arduino that we want to work with a servo motor. Next we create a servo object. We write servo space my servo, then semicolon. Here servo is the type and my servo is just the name we give to our servo motor. Now we move to the setup function. The setup function runs only once when the board turns on. Inside setup, we connect the servo to pin 3 by writing myservo.attach open bracket 3 close bracket and semicolon at the end. This tells Arduino where the servo signal wire is connected. After that, we move to the loop function. The loop function runs again and again forever. First, we tell the servo to move to 0 degrees. Then we add a delay of 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. So the servo pauses there. Next we tell the servo to move to 180 degrees. And again we add 1 second delay. Because all of this is inside the loop, the servo keeps moving from 0 to 180, back and forth continuously. Now click the verify button to check the code. Connect the Arduino to your computer using a USB cable. Then go to the tools, then board, and select Arduino Uno. Again open tools and go to port section and select the USB port connected to your board. If everything is connected properly, you will see a confirmation message at the bottom of the IDE. Once verified, click the upload button. You will see an uploading message, and once it's done, your code is successfully uploaded to the Arduino. This is my first interactive art session video. Hope I have covered most of the important stuff. And if you want to see a sensor based servo motor movement tutorial, let me know in the comments. I will make one for that too.